In 2023, the automotive landscape witnessed a significant entrant, the BYD Atto 3, heralded by the prominent Chinese automaker, BYD. Designed to cater to the ever-growing demands of the electric vehicle market, the Atto 3 is an embodiment of BYD's aspiration to merge sustainable technology, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge style in a single affordable package. The Atto 3's design effortlessly blends contemporary aesthetics with utilitarian form. This compact SUV manages to offer both a commanding road presence and a spacious interior. Its sleek LED headlights and modern contours make it a visually arresting figure, ready to grace urban roads and long highways alike. Underneath its refined exterior, the Atto 3 packs an impressive powertrain. The vehicle is available in two versions, the standard range and the long range. The former is powered by a 50 kilowatt-hour battery offering a range of 320 kilometers, while the latter impresses with a 60 kilowatt-hour battery and an extended range of 420 kilometers. Both variants benefit from a potent 150 kilowatts electric motor that ensures the rear wheels receive ample power. Performance-wise, the Atto 3 is no slouch. Despite its environmentally friendly credentials, the vehicle can dash from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds. The top speed stands at a respectable 94 miles per hour. Weighing in at 1,500 kilograms, its combination of weight and power provides for a balanced and exhilarating driving experience across diverse terrains. Stepping inside, the cabin of the Atto 3 welcomes occupants with an ergonomic design and a plethora of premium features. It comfortably seats 5 individuals, making it perfect for both city commutes and longer journeys. Its use of high-quality materials ensures both luxury and durability, a testament to BYD's commitment to quality. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the dashboard, a modern marvel replete with the latest features. It boasts a 12.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. The inclusion of standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures that smartphone integration is seamless. For those desiring an even richer auditory experience, there's the option of a Bose sound system. And for added comfort during colder months, a heated steering wheel is available. Safety remains paramount in the Atto 3's design. Beyond the advanced structural integrity of the vehicle, it's laden with numerous safety features. These include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Moreover, the optional panoramic sunroof not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal, but provides a brighter, more airy cabin environment. Sustainability is a cornerstone of BYD's brand philosophy, and the Atto 3 champions this ethos. Beyond its zero-emission powertrain, the SUV has been constructed with eco-friendly materials, emphasizing the brand's dedication to reducing environmental impact from the production phase right through to the vehicle's eventual disposal. Considering its suite of features, performance metrics, and commitment to environmental responsibility, the Atto 3 is competitively priced at $30,134. This positions it as a compelling choice for consumers looking for value for money without compromising on quality or eco-friendliness. The 2023 BYD Atto 3 stands out as a testament to what modern electric SUVs can offer. With its perfect blend of design, performance, technology, and sustainability, it is set to be a favorite among those who desire an electric vehicle that doesn't compromise on any front. Whether it's city commutes or longer journeys, the Atto 3 promises to deliver, all the while keeping the planet's well-being in mind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.